Well, here we are, doing a little evening rock hounding. I was out here last week, or actually, I should say I was out here Thursday with my cousin. This is Waddell Creek. I'm just doing a little evening rock hounding. Found some interesting stuff. Just found this right here. Not sure what it is. So if anybody has an idea, please let me know, because I actually have a bunch of these. It's like a light green. And it's got all kinds of, so you're trying to get out these little ones. Let's see, where'd that one go? I already showed you that one. But I always find a bunch of these red ones. And some of them, it's kind of hard to see. They got little quartz veins running through them. And this one is just pretty interesting. I had to pick up, so I could actually wrap that into a necklace and clean it. And it's, you know, brown with different color. And it's got the, see the white line, the quartz little vein going through it. Then I had to pick up this big one because the quartz veins through this is pretty interesting. Just go all over the place and crossing over, like make a complete circle. It's just pretty bizarre. And I thought this one was really cool too because of the quartz vein through it. Make a nice good necklace. Clean it all up. So yeah, that's what we got going on for right now. Gonna do a little bit more. Probably not too much more though. It's starting to get dark a little bit. And I'm not too far out, which is nice. And I got my headlamp just in case. I got my protection on me. And I got my Bluetooth little speaker for my music, so that it can let animals know that I am around, so I don't spook anything. But go ahead and just do a nice silence of this beautiful nature. This is Waddell Creek Campground. It's actually closed right now until May. Camping here is free. You just got to have your Discovery Pass. And I'm actually parked out on the side of the street with my Discovery Pass on, because I was told that I can come in here and do some rock hounding and do my YouTube videos. And as long as I just park on the side of the street, I don't block the driveway of the campground, and throw out my Discovery Pass, I'm good. So I'm just gonna hike through the river a little bit more, kind of see if we can spot anything real quick, and then start heading back to the car and unload the rocks and head home so that we can get them all cleaned up and get all the dirt and crap out of them. So till then, everybody, just be safe. Hope everybody's having a great day. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and please subscribe. My channel is about rock hounding and just going on adventures. Just healing adventures. I got a lot of things I'm in the process of working on for the spring and summertime. Supposed to be collaborating with another rock hounder and going out to some old ghost towns. He's got some spots where there's some petrified wood that nobody knows about, that's on land that we can go on and check it out. But that's still all in the making. Working on getting everything planned out. So everybody be safe. Have a great night. Until then, I will catch you guys later.